Hey guys, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. Well, earlier this week, if you saw my stash ad video, I told you guys that I was going to be doing an unboxing on this kit. And this is going to be that video. So what we have before us is round 2 AMT's 1960 Ford F-100 pickup truck. This also comes with a trailer. So let's take a look at the box art, shall we? Obviously the front of it. Pretty good looking truck. Nice classic body lines. Classic color scheme on this thing. It's a deluxe 3-in-1, build it stock custom or a service truck. That's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the side panel. Over here. Perfect pair. Build a beautiful custom with a matching display trailer. And it says many customizing parts, and I'm looking here and it says it's got louvers, spotlight, white wall tires and chrome wheel covers, lake pipes, scallop decals, comes with a trophy, it's got fender skirts, lug wrench, toolbox, gas can, fire extinguisher, bullet tail lights, and a hitch. And of course we have that trailer over here with removable loading ramps. That's pretty cool. On this side we have the picture of the Gulf service truck. That's a pretty interesting way of building it. I've never built a service truck like that yet. Build this rugged service truck with push bumper and beacon. Pretty cool. Ford Tri-Power engine included and full color decal sheet. So there's that decal sheet. We'll be looking at that when we get this box opened. Alright guys, let me get this cellophane off this box, and I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. Well, as I take the lid off this box, you and I are going to get to see this thing together. So I haven't opened this yet. I'm not sure what's inside or how it's packaged and arranged. So let's open this box together, shall we? That was easy enough. Alright, so on the top we have the clear parts and the tail lights with that emergency beacon. We'll put these over to the side. Let's take out the cab, check it out. Looks pretty clean so far. A couple mold lines to clean and fill right here, but that's to be expected. It doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty clean. Unlike a lot of them, the bed is together. Tailgate does not fold down, or does it? Nope, tailgate does not fold down. That's unfortunate. But it's still pretty cool nonetheless. Looks pretty clean. Obviously got some cleanup to do on it. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, we got the tires here. Got some white walls. Always cool to have white walls. They're unbranded tires. And then you have two over here. I'm thinking these are for the trailer. Put those off to the side. Let's open this bag. First tree, we have the hood. It's nice that this is molded open. Probably has a chrome Ford F-100 badge that goes here. We'll have to look on the chrome tree. The interior tub, we have fan, radiator hose, steering wheel, front bench seat, and here is, we'll turn it the right side up. That is a dash. It's going to be a little bit hard to detail, but we'll get it worked out. Not bad. Alright, on this next tree, we had the bed of the truck and a tonneau cover. That doesn't look too bad. On these, they did not have a wood paneled bed. It was all metal, stamped steel. And there's that tonneau cover. Fender skirts right here. Everything's looking pretty clean so far, guys. Here's your one-piece chassis. We all know how I really love having the rear end and the exhaust molded in. But what are you going to do? It's an older kit. And this is the way they used to come back in the day. Let's see up here on the alternator and stuff, there's a little bit of flash. You got to clean off on that. Not too bad. I'm assuming that's a rear balance, or maybe a front balance. So that's all there was in that bag. Put the parts back in. Over here we've got the trailer hitch and the rear fenders for the trailer. I believe these are ramps. And these are the trailer wheels. Frame for the trailer. Side panels. Yep, it's all the side panels and stuff for the trailer. Wheel backs for the trailer wheels. Alright. You want to see me unglued? Watch how long it takes me to get these trees back in the bag. Alright, so we have another white, has the engine and stuff on it. Let's open this up. I see some more wheels. Some of the accessories on this one. So we have the engine block halves. The heads, I see a battery, toolbox, here's that fire extinguisher, intake and heads, push bumper, firewall, brake booster, etc. Put that off to the side, wheel backs, wheels, stock style wheels. Alright, let's get the chrome trees open. We have two of them. Actually, I'm not going to open them. Let's try to look at what's in here through the bags. On this tree, you can see the lake pipes here. The Ford scripts right here. See them? Some hubcaps. The front grille, headlight assembly, front and rear bumpers. I'm not sure what that is unless that's a custom grill or something. Mirrors, etc. I really like these sport scripts though for the side. They're going to look good. Over here, you got your moon discs. You got a set of chrome slot mags over here. Your trophies here, tri-carb setup. Here's your spotlight, pair of gauges, rear view mirror, bullet tail light housings, I assume. Yep. Valve covers with the Ford on them. So yeah, looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Decal sheet is quite small. Let's give her a look anyway. I would have assumed that the decal sheet would have been a little bit bigger. Alright, so of course you see those white scallops here, and then some contingency decals, and then you have the Gulf livery, and then for the push bumper you got some moon eyes here, Ray's Automotive, and down here you have your dash and gauge panels and some emblems, tack. Custom cab scripts right here. Nice. Indiana license plates. Alright, that's the extent of the decal sheet. Put them back in the plastic so they don't get messed up. Alright guys, I'm not going to go through the instructions, but here's the instructions here. Got the instructions for the trailer, and then you have the instructions for the truck right here. So, all looks pretty good. So after the video, I'm going to have a flat lay of the parts so you can see a flat lay of the parts and what all comes with it. Alright guys, that's all I have for this. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of AMT's Ford F-100. 1960 Ford F-100, that is. Alright, leave your comments down below whether or not you plan on buying this truck, or if you already have bought this truck, and what you think about it so far. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Happy modeling.